Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Sasha and today we are making a new Ninja Creami. If you've been around here, you know I love my Ninja Creamies. I love making a chocolate one that has beans and cauliflower and oats as the base. It is just delicious. I'll put a link for that video if you want to check that one out. But the other day I was at my mom's and she was like, oh, you have to see this. And she had come across a video, maybe you've seen this as well, taking pineapple, canned pineapple, and a sweet potato and making a Ninja Creami out of that. I can't remember the woman's name. She was Canadian. I'll try to find it and put it in the captions of the video. She did. She said it was amazing. She had heard that it was supposed to taste like Dole Whip, that I think can you only get Dole Whip at Disney? I've been to Disney once. I went when I was like 28 for a bachelorette weekend and it was so fun. We're hoping to take the kids to Disney Paris at some point or Tokyo. That would be super fun in the future. Like that's like a family goal that we have, me and Matthew. So hoping to be able to have Dole Whip there. Can you get it anywhere else? I feel like it is only a Disney thing, but I did have it when I was there. One of, I think, the only vegan options they really had at the time that you could get, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I do remember being like, I can have that. Anywho, apparently this is supposed to taste like Dole Whip. I watched this woman's video. I watched another person do it, and they didn't blend up their sweet potato and their pineapple. They just like plopped it in the can or in the pint. They plopped it in there. They tossed it in the freezer and then they spun it up the next day when it was all frozen. I just can't get down with that. I don't like the idea of it. I also didn't like it when I saw it because you saw the separation of like, if they put the sweet potato at the bottom and they put the pineapple here or whatever way it was, you saw that they weren't blended together. And I just, in my brain, can't really get with just having a scoop of sweet potato ice cream. I don't know, it just felt like mixing the two together I feel like is good. I can do that. So I'm gonna use an immersion blender instead of my blender to blend them up. So we're gonna do that. But then I thought, pineapple with the sweet potato. I wonder what else we could use. So anyways, I have a can of, this is, pineapple tidbits, ananas, in pineapple juice. So I've got a can of this, but in my pantry, I also have these mandarin oranges and they're in a light syrup. I'm gonna do one with oranges and one with pineapple with my sweet potatoes. I steamed these up yesterday. They've been sitting in the fridge. So we're good to go on that front. Let's just get into it, shall we? Get my hair out of the way. Okay, I mean, I guess you could have the skin. Do I really want the skin? Not really. I think I'm just gonna take the skin off. Do we do a whole sweet potato in here? I don't know. Roughly take the skin off. Let's see how much sweet potato that actually is. Okay, we'll do one sweet potato each. These are like not huge sweet potatoes. Roughly take the skin. Okay, that's good. I've got my pineapple. I just put these, they're fake nails. I just put them on and I don't want to break them because I don't have nails all that often. But I have to get, you know, it takes a little while. I usually find right before they're about to be done, then I'm used to them. My pineapples with the pineapple juice, I'm going to just like dump these in here. Do you think that's enough? I wonder if it's too much sweet potato that I've done. You know what? I was thinking about doing immersion blender. I think I'm just gonna pop it in the actual blender. Right? So people are just freezing it as it is. I don't want to do that. I don't want to mess with the immersion blender today. I could, but that's like half of this can. I'm gonna blend it up. I'm making the decision now that it's too much sweet potato. So I'm gonna just do the rest of this. I'm gonna do 2 pints of this pineapple sweet potato. I feel like this was the call. It smells pineapple-y. See, it looked so orange. It looked even more orange before I added in the rest of the pineapple. Is it enough to fill up too? Not really. Okay, I'm gonna just add in water. I have to rinse this out anyway, so I'll just add water from here to fill it to the line. Mix it so it's not just ice at the top. Taste a little. That's pineapple, it's good. Okay, that's that one. They'll go to the side. I'll rinse this out. That's a lot of sweet potato, isn't it? We're just gonna do 2 with the oranges. I have 2 cans of these oranges, so we'll do that. All right, that's rinsed out. We're gonna do this. We're gonna open up these. These have been in my pantry. I think I had plans to make some kind of ice cream with this for a while, and I just never use them. Why not today? I'll blend this one up. Okay, these are blended. Pour it in here. I think it's gonna need some water as well. Maybe just a little bit. Okay, I'll add some water to this. Interesting. I kind of feel like I taste the sweet potato a little bit more in that one, but we'll see how it tastes when it's all frozen up. So these will go into the freezer for 24 hours. I'm gonna put stickers on the oranges, and then tomorrow we'll do a little taste test. My note is when I put these in the freezer, I don't put the lids on them for the first while. I let them freeze, and then I put the lids on them. Our garbage truck is here. So I let them freeze without the lids. I find if I have the lids on them, they dome, but if I don't put the lids on it, they freeze flat, and then I don't have to scrape them off. I have to get the dog. She's not responding to me. Anyways, what was I saying? I don't put lids on for the first while. I let them freeze so they don't dome. There we go. Changing it up a little. Keeping it a little simple with just a sweet potato. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to tidy up and we'll come back tomorrow for a taste test. Okay, let me get the ice creams. Here they are. I will say I am a little nervous that these are gonna taste really sweet potato-y. But let's blend them up and give them a little taste. The boys saw them in the freezer. They're very excited to try them. So we'll blend them up and we'll do a taste side by side. Okay, they have been mixed up. I ran it, I didn't add any like soy milk to it like I usually do. I just ran it and then I did another spin. It's kind of looking like this. I have to run to a dentist appointment, so I'm just doing a little taste test. I probably could run this again, to be honest. But it's looking good here. They're both looking good. So should we try this? This is the pineapple one. I definitely thought that I was going to taste the sweet potato. I don't taste it. Well, that's nice. That will be really nice for summer. It's like a sorbet, really. I think if I had a can of coconut milk opened up, I used it yesterday, but I would pour a little bit of that in there and do another spin in it. I feel like that would taste like so good. Yeah, okay, I like that. If you like pineapple, that's super simple. I just think adding some coconut milk in this would like take it to another level. But very simple. I do think that's a nice that's nice and refreshing, and it makes me excited for summer. Let's try this one that's orange. This one, I used the canned oranges and there's some light syrup with it. Yeah, that's the oranges. That's good. Oh, I like that. That's really nice. These are both really nice. They're definitely, like, they're lighter. They taste like a sorbet. But if you just need like a nice little sweet treat, they're good. I wonder what the kids will think of them. This, I think, is just like, yeah, those summer days when it's feeling plus 40, like those hot, hot, hot summer days. These are perfect. Yeah, I like it. Okay. I don't know which one I like better. I think they're both quite good. That makes me happy. I will still stick with my like ice cream breakfast situation, but these, like, I can actually feel the difference between how much lighter these feel. They're really good. I will definitely make them again. That's so easy, so easy. And perfect for the kids. So I think I'll make them ice cream tonight. I gotta run. I gotta go to the dentist, but try these out. I recommend. Give it a go. Very simple. Sweet potato and pineapple, or sweet potato and oranges. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Bye.